Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I am going to show you how to create a table of content in Microsoft Word with just a few clicks. It's simple and super useful for long documents. So let's get started. So let's say, for example, you're working with you're creating your thesis for your master's project or your PhD project, and you must need a section where you will add a table of content, or maybe you're working on your reports or maybe a proposal that you're working on. It's very important that you have your table of content that guides people of showing you different parts of your work. So for you to do that, you'll not go ahead and start typing it manually. There's the easiest way I'm going to walk you through in Microsoft Word on how you're going to automatically create your table of content. So let's say, for example, here I have a sample paper that I've written, just a report. Just it's not an academical paper, but I've just written it to make sure that I demonstrate this to you. So and make sure you subscribe to this channel because I've done so many videos on Microsoft Word tricks that can help you work efficiently in this software. So the first thing, let's say, for example, after declaration and after we go to the next page where you have acknowledgement and abstract. Let's say, for example, I want to add a table of content after acknowledgement and before the abstract. So what I will do, I will just create what we call a page break. I'll go to insert, then click on page break. Then I can get this page that is empty here. Then I want to insert my table of content here automatically, so that if I add anything, I'll just be updating it. So to do that, what you'll do is you go back to the home tab. Then you see these styles here. You have the heading 1 and heading 2 and heading 3 and all that. You can go ahead and open down here to see all the headings that you will be working with. So for us to do that, what we'll do, we'll go back to declaration. We'll start from here. Then you will highlight this part, highlight that text. Then since it has nothing else below it, like if let's say this just it's just starting like a whole, like just it on its own. So what we will do is we will select it like this, then we will give it header 1. So once we click on header 1, you can see it's changing here. So we'll go ahead and make sure you after you click on it, you give it a header, you go back and set it back to Times New Romans and give it a black color, then bold it the way it was. So when I hover my cursor here, when I click on it, it gives me header 1. Then I can also do that to other sections, like for example, acknowledgement, click on that, give it header 1, go back, Times New Romans, to make sure that your document stays in the expected font size and font type. So here we will have the table of content, but the abstract, you can also abstract header 1 like that, then go back to Times New Romans, font size 12 like that, then bold it, then make it black like that, then we go down like that. So you will allow me to select the whole the introduction like that, then scroll down, then you press Control, then you highlight this. So when you scroll up, you could have highlighted the introduction, and we go downward like that so that we move faster. We just press Control, hold, and highlight, then use this scroll down, then like that, highlight it like that, go down up to conclusion, then references like that. Then you can just go ahead and give it header 1 like that, because I only have header 1s. Then Times New Romans, font size 12 like that, then make it black color, bold it, so that you have your topics like that. Then you can go back to the section where you want to add your table of content. We want it to be here on this page. So what I will do is just bring my cursor here. Then what I will do, the next thing that I want to do to make sure I insert the table of content, I'll go back to this section where we have the tabs. Then I'll look for the section where it says table of content. So you go to this section where you have references, Then on references, there is this section that tells you table of content. Then click on the launch button, pick the second one, automatic table of content, click on it, then boom, automatically it appears here. Now on this table of content, you can also go ahead and edit it, go back to home tab, make sure everything is in Times New Romans like that. Then font size 12, then you can make it either bold or dark. Then you center this title like that. Then you give it a bold, give it black. So here we have an automatic table of content that is showing on the first page. On the first page, we have declaration. So when I scroll up, I can see I am guided by here. We have declaration, then acknowledgement on the second page. It can be seen in this table of content, then the abstract. So it will be showing the headers or the titles on each page. So it's here. So if I go ahead and add anything down here, let's say, for example, under introduction here, let's say, for example, I add something like 1.1, and then I name it like background information. Then I want to, because since this one, this is a subtitle that is under introduction, so it will be automatically header 2. So I will highlight it like that, then I'll go and take it as header 2. Then I'll go back here, give it Times New Romans like that, font size 12 like that. Then the black color, then bold it. If I want to update this information, I'll just go back to the table of content up here where I have it. Then I click on it, then it will automatically give me this section that says update the table. So I'll click on update the table. What do I select the entire table like that, and then click OK. So once I click OK, you can see this section is popping up. Let me just unbold it. So you can see this section is showing that it's under the introduction. If I also go ahead and put another one below it, like for example, it will be like 1.2, let's say for example 1.1.1. Then I type something here like for example the main information, the main topic. So this one will automatically become header 3. So once you click on it, you see you'll go for header 3 here. Then you go back again, follow the same process like that. You go back Times New Roman, font size 12, then bold your title. Then you can go back to your table of content. Then you can go ahead and also update the entire table, or just update a page number only. Just click entire table like that. Then you can go ahead and edit. So you can see this introduction is header 1, header 2, and header 3. And these other sections, you can also do that. So that is how simple you can update a table of content in Microsoft Word. Easy, just easy, right? So that's how you can make a dynamic table of content in Word. So hit like if this helped, and subscribe for more Word tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.